Hi, welcome. Welcome to Felicia's house, come on in. This is 2036 Moorlands. We're coming on the market next week. I'm gonna give you a little tour of Felicia's house here. This home is amazing. It's a great home right off of M59. It has amazing landscaping, brand new roof, updated kitchen, as you'll see here. Great spacing in the living room with the fireplace, gas fireplace. The primary room has tray ceilings with a nice walk-in closet. There's a room upstairs, a bonus room that they're currently using as an office, but you can use it for whatever purposes you like. The basement is plumbed and ready to use. It's nice open space, so let your imaginations run wild. Out here, we're actually on a Trex Deck, nice Trex Deck to enjoy the outside nature. You'll see the woods behind me. So the features of the house is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. So 2 full baths, 1 half bath. It has everything you need, 2,309 square feet. It's an amazing house that's coming up next week. It should be coming up live on September 11th. So keep an eye out for it. This is Miguel Garanza with Remax Platinum, Team Cali.